Hi guys, this is Lauren.
Erik.
From Erik and Lauren. Today we're going to show you our Ironman 4x4 soft shell classic tent that is on our 2017 Subaru Outback Touring. We're just going to show a few details, how long it takes to set up, breakdown, etc.
Awesome, let's get to it. First things first, you're going to go ahead and do these straps. Awesome. It's got on the bottom of it a bunch of little bungees. You just go ahead and somewhere along the line there's a little zipper. Goes around the entire bottom of it. Going to go ahead and unzip.
Corners are a little rough with the zipper sometimes, but even my 5'6" self can reach the zipper most of the way.
Awesome. So once you've got it unzipped, just go ahead and slide right off the top. Go ahead and make sure you clear your ladder. Go ahead. Awesome. It does have a little channel right here that you go ahead and put in your cover. You can take it off, we leave it on. Once you uncover it, you've got these straps on the side of it. Go ahead and undo them. You got one on each side. Awesome. It's gonna go ahead and pull out the ladder. It's gonna serve as your leverage to bring down the tent. Once you get that going, you go ahead and flip it back. And you want to try to have it so it's not completely overextended. So you pull the ladder and pull it back a little bit more. You whack yourself on the face?
Yep.
Inside, once you pop it open, you've got this little bar here. It's going to serve as your prop for your little canopy up forward.
And that just pops right in.
It goes into these little things. It serves as your support for your roof. A little annex roof here. Inside, it does have these little loops here that you can go ahead and strap these bungees that it does come with. It's going to help when you fold in the tent to bring in all of the netting, all of the exterior shell. It'll pull it into the tent, so that's easier to collapse. We also did install an LED strip for it to give us some light at night when we're inside. It does come with some 3-inch foam as well, which after our first experience we will be adding a topper to it. Now in order to prop up these, I would say windowsills, you're going to go ahead and take out the little dongles that you put in here. Whoop, without falling. All right. It does come with a built-in rain fly as well. And we also did secure it with the little dongles as well. As far as the rain fly as well, you're gonna go ahead, put it into the hole. Once it's securely locked in, make sure it's bending upwards. And then you'll bend it without eating it. And it secures it. So if you're, how tall are you again?
5'6".
You can't do this.
And there's your rain fly, and this, as you can see, opens up into the tent. You can unzip this, have it completely open, and then there is a fly that also comes down, so if it's raining or super windy, you can put that part down as well.
So, like,
and then you just repeat on the third side.
This one's way off though.
So at first we tried putting it through the top part and then securing it to the base, and we realized that is the wrong way to do it. It's very difficult, and you take the risk of bending the rods. We watched a few YouTube videos on how to put this up, and everyone recommended starting with the bottom first, and it works much better. One of our main complaints about the tent is that the grommets on the weatherproof cover do not match the holes on the base. So it is a little hard to line up the holes. And there you go. We have all three sides set up with the window coverings. Also included are the stakes to tie down the front part here. They're pretty heavy duty, not very easily bendable.